Here I am, know it's been a while.
Hey
I
babe.
was in denial about my life. Here I stand, I know I walked
Guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. I'm Ellen and I hope you will enjoy this video. So in today's video I'm gonna be showing you how I usually get ready for my date night with my husband or just when I go out for a party. So how to be flawless and glowy queen. I'm gonna show you what products I use and how to get flawless glowy look for your dates. So if you're interested, just keep on watching. So first I'm going to be using this Ellene New York Hydrotherapy Boost Serum. I got this recently from Ellene and I can say this is amazing. This serum, it like hydrates my skin and boosts, and it gives brightness. So now I'm going to apply my BB cream, and for this time I'm going to be mixing these two, the light and the neutral shades together. I'm going to use my Nurse concealer. And for my dark contour, I'm going to use my Smashbox contour and foundation stick. I'm going to blend my contour. I'm going to blend my dark contour. So I'm going to use my Laura Mercier setting powder to set my contour. So I'm going to wipe away this excess powder from my face with this fluffy brush. It's from Elf Cosmetics also. So I'm going to be using this Marc Jacobs bronzer to bronze my face. My face is done and I'm going to do my eyes now, and I'm going to be using this Tarte eye palette. This is one of my favorite palettes. It's so natural shades. So first shade that I'm gonna be using is this one. It's called Explore, and I'm gonna apply it directly in my crease, very gently. It's just very natural shades. And I'm gonna take this dark shade, it's called Daybreak, this one, this dark brown, and I'm gonna apply it just a little bit at the corner of my crease to like get a little darker shade. So I'm gonna take this beautiful real eyeliner. Well, I really need that mirror for this. Oh my goodness. I always struggle to do my eyeliner, especially when I have eyelashes. So I think it's not bad. So I'm gonna do my another eye now. So guys, finally I made my eyeliner, because as you know, it's a struggle, always struggle for me, but I think I nailed it. So finally I'm gonna finish my eyes with this shade, this light shade. It's called, I think it's called Dusk, and I'm gonna apply it under my brows. This palette smells so good. It's like vanilla smell. So for my lips, I'm gonna be using Kylie Cosmetics Lip Kit Victoria. So I'm gonna overline my lips with this beautiful deep red shade. And I'm gonna take this gorgeous red shade. I think this is the first time I'm using this lipstick in my tutorial. But I'm in love with this shade. Gorgeous. This is the best red I've ever had because it's so beautiful and it's amazing color. So guys, now it's time for the glow, and I'm gonna be using my iconic London Illuminator drops in the shade Original. This is the Magical Glow drops. Well, usually I blend this highlighter with my fingers because fingers are like blending perfectly. So I'm going to take my Benefit Cosmetics Dandelion blush. As you know, this is a romantic blush, so I'm going to apply. Well, I really want to be a glowy goddess tonight, so I'm gonna be using my Huda Beauty Nymph Body and Face Highlighter. And finally, I'm gonna spray this Kylie Cosmetics setting spray. Amazing. So guys, I'm done. This is my quick video tutorial how to be flawless and glowy on your date or just on the party. So I hope you enjoyed my video. If you liked it and if you find it helpful, please give me a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.